Mug warmer for desk with auto shut-off electric mug warmer. Office home desk use cup warmer plate for coffee, milk, tea, water, Christmas birthday gift. SEALON Exclusive R D in July 2020. This coffee warmer not only can slow down the cooling speed of hot beverage but also can heating cold beverage to 149 temperature. Use for coffee, tea, milk, hot cocoa or your candle wax. Waterproof design, exclusive crystal heating plate, high ceiling. No need to worry about the safety of coffee overflow. Easy to clean.FCC and C certificate. Backed by our 24 months warranty. Get this coffee warmer risk-free. Suitable mugs. Use a thin-walled, flat or slightly concave-bottomed mug for the best results. This coffee cup warmer suitable for tableware, stainless steel cup, mug, milk box, glass cup and etc. Automatic shut-off with high-tech materials make the coffee warmer heat-resistant and fire-resistant. Built-in temperature sensor and safety switch with high-temperature automatic protection and current automatic closing function.with the auto shut-off function after working 4 hours. Life of up to 100,000 hours. Best gift choice, beautiful and compact design. Keep your beverages always warm. It will be your best gift choice to show your care to your families, lover or friends on Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas or other special occasions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.